Hello everyone, welcome to Utkal Study Point. In this video, we will discuss weekly current affairs of 15th to 21st November 2021. Let's start. First question: who is awarded with Lifetime Achievement Award by Badminton World Federation? The right answer is Prakash Padukone. Indian badminton legend Prakash Padukone has been selected for the prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award 2021 by the Badminton World Federation Council. Next question: who has been appointed as new member of International Law Commission for India for 5 years? The right answer is Bimal Patel. Bimal Patel has been appointed as new member of International Law Commission from India for 5 years. Next question: which organization has launched We Power India Partnership Forum to boost women participation in energy sector? The right answer is both A and B. World Bank and Asian Development Bank. World Bank and Asian Development Bank has launched We Power India Partnership Forum to boost women participation in energy sector. Next question: which is the first Indian brand to launch a 5G smartphone? The right answer is Lava International. Lava became the first Indian brand to launch 5G smartphone. The smartphone launched under the brand name of Agni has been developed by Lava India and is getting manufactured at its plant in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Next question: the trilateral maritime exercise named SIXMEX 21 will be held between which country? The right answer is India, Singapore and Thailand. India, Singapore and Thailand, the trilateral maritime exercise will be held. Next question: who elected as Prime Minister of Japan? The right answer is Fumio Kishida. Fumio Kishida, leader of the Liberal Democratic Party, has been re-elected as Prime Minister of Japan. Next question: the Government of India and which bank has signed a loan of USD 61 million for development of Agartala? The right answer is ADB. The, the Asian Development Bank and Government of India has signed a loan agreement of 61 million for development of Agartala. Next question: where has the Kisan Bhavan and Beekeeper Conference will be inaugurated? The right answer is Nagaland. In Nagaland, Kisan Bhavan and Beekeeper Conference has been inaugurated. Next question: who has been appointed as new chairman of ICC Men's Cricket Committee? The right answer is Saurav Ganguly. BCCI President Saurav Ganguly has been appointed as chairman of ICC Men's Cricket Committee. Next question: where has India's first Center for Research on Drone Technology launched? The right answer is IIT Guwahati. In IIT Guwahati launched India's first Center for Research on Drone Technology. Next question: which state Panchampally village has been selected as one of the best tourism villages by United Nations World Tourism Organization recently? The right answer is Telangana. Panchampally village in Yadadi, Bhuvangiri district of Telangana is declared as best tourism by the United Nations World Tourism Department. Next question: which Indian Christian will be conferred the honorary title of saint by Pope Francis in May next year? The right answer is Devsayan Pillai. The Indian Hindu converted Christian Dev Sayan Pillai will be conferred with the honorary title of Sant by Pope Francis in next year. Next question. Where 2024 ISC Men's T20 World Cup to be organized declared recently? The right answer is USA and West Indies. The America and West Indies will be the host country of ICC 2024 Men's T20 World Cup. Next question. Where has the 3-day national level squash competition started? The right answer is Prayagraj. In Prayagraj, the 3-day national level squash competition will be started. Next question. Which of the following will be given Indian Film Personality Award for the year 2021? The right answer is Hema Malini and Parson Joshi. Hema Malini and Parson Joshi will be given the Indian Film Personality Award for the year 2021. Next question. Who is set to receive the Ambedkar Sudhar Award for 2021? The right answer is M.K. Stalin. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin set to receive the Ambedkar Sudhar Award for 2021. Next question. Which country has topped the list of richest countries? The right answer is China. China has surpassed the United States, the wealthiest nation in the world. Next question. Who has started the Nirmaya Gujarat scheme? The right answer is Bhupendra Patel. Nirmaya Gujarat scheme launched by Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel. The scheme for all the people above the age of 30 years in the state will be screened for the detection of diseases. Next question. Who is the winner of 2021 JCB Prize for Literature? The right answer is M. Mukundam. Malayalam writer M. Mukundam wins the JCB Prize for Literature. Next question. Who is the author of the book titled Nehru, The Debates That Define India? The right answer is Tripura Daman Singh and Adel Hussain. Tripura Daman Singh and Adel Hussain is the author of the book titled Nehru, The Debates That Define India. Next question. Who among the following has launched his autobiography Shuttle Flick Making Every Match Count? The right answer is Puleilo Gopichand. Puleilo Gopichand has launched his book Shuttle Flick Making Every Match Count. Next question. Which company has launched new smaller dish to connect with satellite in low Earth orbit? The right answer is SpaceX. SpaceX has launched new smaller dish to connect with satellite in the low Earth orbit. Next question. India's first food museum has been launched in which city? Which state? Right answer is Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, India's first food museum has been inaugurated. Next question. Which union minister has launched a unified mobile app for the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav events? The right answer is Ministry of Cultural. Ministry of State for Cultural and External Affairs launched the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav mobile app to enable all single point access to all information related to 75th anniversary celebration of Indian independence. Next question. The UN peacekeeping chief warned about the crisis in Sahel region located in which continent? The right answer is Africa. UN peacekeeping chief warned that crisis in Africa's Sahel region is volatile because insecurity and instability and undermining prospects for the development, and many lives are being lost every day because of terrorist attacks. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently inaugurated the Purvanchal Expressway in which state? The right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Purvanchal Expressway at Korwal Kheri in Sultanpur district of Uttar Pradesh. It will connect Lucknow with Gazipur. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated country's first tribal museum located in which city through the video conferencing? The right answer is Ranchi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Birsa Munda Memorial Udyan and Museum in Ranchi. Next question. Which financial body has approved $150 million loan to Sustainable Urban Service Program for Chennai Metropolitan Area? The right answer is Asian Infrastructure and Investment Bank. The Asian Infrastructure and Investment Bank has approved $150 million loan for Sustainable Urban Service Program for Chennai Metropolitan Area. Next question. Name of the Defense Secretary who has recently released the book titled Force in Statecraft at National Defense College? The right answer is Dr. Ajay Singh. India's Defense Secretary Dr. Ajay Singh has released the book titled Force in Statecraft in New Delhi. The book is compilation of essays of topics such as counter-insurgency and operations, conflict in Northeast, air power, nuclear posture, etc. Next question. The Institute for Defense Studies and Analysis in the New Delhi has been renamed as per which Indian? The right answer is Manohar Parrikar. The Institute of Defense Studies and Analysis is renamed as Manohar Parrikar Institute for Defense Studies and Analysis. Next question. The annual Council Minister meeting of Indian Ocean Rim Association was recently held in which city? The right answer is Dhaka. In Dhaka, the annual Council Minister of Meeting Indian Ocean Rim Association was recently held. Next question. India will be receiving S-400 air defense system from which country? The right answer is Russia. Russia begins supply of S-400 missile system to India, despite there is a risk of sanction from US. Next question. Recently, who will be appointed by the Maharashtra government as the COVID vaccination brand ambassador? The right answer is Salman Khan. Salman Khan will be appointed by the Maharashtra government as the COVID vaccination brand ambassador. Next question. Who will be the author? The novel Lal Salam, which is based on tragic killing of 76 CRPF personnel at Dantewada in April 2010. The right answer is Smriti Irani. Smriti Irani authored the novel Lal Salam, which is based on tragic killing of 76 CRPF personnel at Dantewada. Next question. In India participating in bilateral exercise X-Shakti 2020 with which country? The right answer is France. Next question. The navies of India and France will carry out the 6th edition of bilateral training exercise X-Shakti 2020 from November 15 to 26 in Fréjus, France. Next question. Which of the following countries are named as nations of concern for violating of religious freedom by the United States? The right answer is all of the above. Pakistan, China, Iran has named as nations of concerns for violation of religious freedom by the United States. Next question. Uttar Pradesh first anti-air pollution tower will be inaugurated in which city? The right answer is Noida. In Noida, first air pollution tower will be inaugurated. Next question. What is the theme of 40th edition of Indian International Trade Fair 2021? The right answer is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat is the theme of 40th edition of Indian International Trade Fair. Next question. What is the rank of India in the recently released Global Bribery Risk Index? The right answer is 82nd. 82nd is the rank of the India recently released Global Bribery Risk Index. Next question. Which country formed a parliamentary friendship association with India recently? The right answer is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka formed a parliamentary friendship association with India recently.